What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's Dad from Dad Simply Cooking, and today we're making breakfast burritos. Breakfast burritos, the go-to for fast food on the go, however you want to do it. So to start with, we're going to go ahead and cut on our air fryer because we got to get some hash browns. Next, I got bacon already on a pan, cut, ready to go. I'm going to put it in the oven. I feel, to me, that's the best way the bacon gets crispy. 350, yo. Now, we do have some peppers.
Yep, some pepper.
We got a red pepper, orange pepper, and a yellow pepper.
Yeah, buy it.
And now, are these spicy peppers or are they sweet peppers? Yeah, right, they're sweet peppers. So, I'm going to show y'all. We're going to go in and make our cuts. So we want to go about an inch down. So right there. And then I'm just going to set my knife down and roll the pepper. And then we get the top. So now we have the center. And we can just work our knife around. Next one's cut the orange one. So we're going to go an inch down. And I'm just measuring by my finger because I've always been told that's about an inch. So measure by my finger. And then we're going to cut the back off. Then cut the middle out. You get perfect. I'm going to slice it on the side here.
When you put them in the pot.
Kind of roll it out.
Oh, look. Almost one.
A little avocado oil for our peppers. All right, get your preferred breakfast meat down. For us this morning, it's going to be that smoked sausage. This is our favorite smoked sausage. It's always been like our go-to. It's the yellow package. Made with pork, turkey, and beef. It's finally cooled down here in the south where it's not miserable outside to live. So I did have somebody ask me. These are Kerito pans. And they don't stick. I've had like the best of luck with these. I love them. They're pretty awesome. And on our other side, we're gonna put I'm gonna do a tablespoon of butter in with my peppers. Bacon is done. My peppers are sweating up nicely. Cut the heat down. We got some eggs. Got a little bit of milk left. Just enough. Cheese, pepper jack, obviously. And then we're gonna go with some straight cheddar, because cheddar makes everything better. Those eggs nice and light and fluffy. Alright, I'm going to take these off the heat. Now I'm going to put these in the microwave. Need 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the burrito tortillas. Super soft, but we're making them softer. Tortilla. Take some of my eggs. bacon. I'm gonna take those tater tots. Kind of like crush them down a little bit. Is he? My dad? Your dad? Peppers. And my favorite, you gotta get the spice ranch. Fold. We fold up and over. Keep it tucking in. Hey, my baby girl. Are you my baby girl? Yeah. I love you. I love you. Fist bump. Fist bump. Fist bump. Fist bump. Fist bump.
No, you have to give me a fist bump.
Fist bump.
Thank you.
I love you. Hi, y'all. Delicious breakfast burritos. Perfect. Perfection. Hi, y'all. You literally can't get much easier or simple than that. Perfect breakfast burrito. I hope y'all enjoy this one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all so much for watching my videos. Easy, simple breakfast for on the go. Cooked in no time. Use peppers. They're sweet peppers, y'all. We learned about peppers this morning. And just make sure you sweet peppers. Other than that, y'all have a good one. Take care. Catch you in the next one. Peace. Peace.